Okay, back to the bladder replacement for the STA-RITE 50-gallon pressure tank, water well pressure tank. This is the old bladder. That green stuff on top is some tire slime that came out of a wheel I was working on. But anyway, that's the bladder. You can see where it ruptured right there in the center of the top of the bladder. So over here I've got the pressure tank with the new bladder installed. I did a touch-up paint job on the bottom of the tank where there was some corrosion. I cleaned it up and painted it with some black Rust-Oleum paint. Okay, we're installing the pressure bladder in the STA-RITE 50-gallon water well pressure tank. The new bladder is in the tank, as you can see. It was a little tough to get in there. Had to roll it up kind of long ways and work it into the hole. It took 15 or 20 minutes to get it worked down into the tank, and got the lip exposed so we can make the seal with the flange. There's the flange, here's the base, and the base of course needs to go on first. And I've got it lining up here with the manufacturer's data plate. I think that's how it was originally. Flange piece will go on. You'll see there's some tabs that are sticking out from the base that have some slots that line up on the flange here. Kind of sandwiches all together, like so. I put a little dab of Never Sees on the studs. I don't know if I'll ever take this thing apart again, but if I do, it'll come apart a little bit easier. Never Sees anti-seize. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put the nuts on hand tight, then do a crisscross torquing pattern, and that'll be it for that part. The next part will be to get the PVC plumbing pieces laid out, connected, and reinstalled to the pump. And after that, we'll put the pressure pad on the tank. I think for this one, I think it's about 28 pounds, 25, 28 pounds, and we'll prime the well pump and see if this thing works. Again, this is the STA-RITE 50-gallon pressure tank. These things all, for the most part, what I'm seeing, a lot of them come out of Delavan, Wisconsin, and the parts are readily available. And if you're somewhat of a do-it-yourselfer, you can probably take on this job. It's not that bad. Of course, I don't have it installed yet, so we'll see how the finished product turns out.